Hello friends, this is your host Mehtab on your own channel Medical Info. In previous video I show you how to download and make your profile on Binance exchange. Hope you all follow the video and followed the step I told you and you have made your account and registered on the same exchange. Now I will show you from where and how to trade. First of all, I will show you from where we have to buy USDTs so that we can buy uh, cryptos on this exchange. So first of all, you go to your wallet, then funding, then here is written P2P. Open this P2P, then you will see all the traders who are trading, buying, who are buying or selling the USDTs. There will be shown here. You have to click on buy and you have to enter the amount. You have to enter the amount, how much amount USDT you want to buy. For example, I want to buy USDTs of worth 20,000 or 2 lakhs. Then I have to write it here, and then I there is no fee to buy the USDTs. Then I have to click on buy USDT. I have not enough money, that's why here here I cannot buy. Then when you buy the dollars USDTs, they will come into your wallet on overview. Here these dollars will be shown on your overview. Then you will go to your spot wallet. You will go to the trades, open the trades. Here this is showing BTC. Now you can see the chart of BTC by clicking these two candles. It is showing the red candle is showing the sell and the green candle is showing buying. Now I will show you in 1 hour candle that the BTC is trading between $39,858 to $39,980. Here I will show you, this is the live candles of trading which are moving up and down. Number 2, this is the RSI. RSI is telling us whether it is the coin which we are watching is overbought or oversold. If the RSI value is more than 70, then it means this coin is overbought and can be crushed at any time. When the buyer sold it, then its RSI will come down and the price also come down. So during trade we have to closely watch the value of RSI. Then after that these candles are showing volume of the trade. Volume of trade means how much investors are investing in this uh, coin, or they are taking profit in how much amount. These green candles are showing the investors are buying this coin, and these red candles are showing investors are selling this coin. After that we are showing you the MACD. MACD means MACD is the combination of volume and RSI. It shows you that how much volume of the investors is coming in the market. Then we will go down. When we scroll down, it shows live trading, order book or trades. We open trade. These are the traders. uh, this is the time. First on left corner there is time, then price, and then amount. Time, price is showing that someone is buying in that price or selling in that price, and amount is showing that how much coin he is buying or selling. So friends, let us come to the our trades. Here we have to search the coin we have to buy. We can buy any coin from here. Let's suppose we are searching Sol. So Sol USDT, we have to click on it. This coin will be open. Now we have to buy. First of all, we can buy on many main three ways. First of all, the limit buy. The limit buy is the buy. When we select the limit buy, then we have to add a limit where when market goes to that limit, or order will be purchased or sold. For example, we want when sold comes to $110, over buy order will be completed, so we'll write here $110. Then amount of Solana or USDT, how much Sol you want to buy, or how much dollar USDT you want to invest. We have to write. Suppose we have $100, we will write here $100. Then we will click on buy. When we click on buy, then there an order will open on in open orders, then that will be purchased. Open order will be converted into purchased. Then we will come here on sell. If we buy, then if let's suppose we buy the Solana on $101, then we have to sell it on. We will select the limit and we will select here $110. It means when Solana reaches $110, our sale order will be completed. We we will select 100% of Solana we want to sell, and then we will click on sell Solana. So friend, this is how we can trade on spot. This is the way we can trade on spot. But when we come to the future, it will entirely a different story. It will be entirely different story. We have to select here some coin. Let's suppose we are selecting audio coin. Its audio coin is 1.26. It's trading on 1.26. We will use limit order, post only, market, stop limit, stop market, or trailing stop. So first of all, I will in this video I will tell you about limit order. Then tomorrow and after that day we will talk about post only, market, stop limit, and etc. Let's start with limit only. Limit means when order reaches to that level, then our purchase or sale order will be completed. Here in spot we can only trade after when we buy on low, we will sell it on higher side. But in future we can buy and sell it at the same time. If we think the market will go up, then we will buy the coin, and if we think the market will come down, then we will sell that coin. So let's suppose we are choosing audio on 1.2650. Then we have to use, here there are two modes, cross and isolated. We use isolated mode. If you use cross margin, then all of our wallet balance will be involved in the trade. We will use isolated. Then we use leverages. Leverages mean the borrow real leverages mean we borrow some dollars from the exchange. Let's suppose we use 10x. It means if we use $1 from our wallet, $10 will be given from the exchange. But when we take profit, all the profit will be ours. But if our trade go in wrong direction, then our account will be liquidated. Liquidated mean or all the capital will be gone. So always use small amount of leverages. First of all, leverage trade is prohibited from my side, because it's only a trader always loss in leverage trade, but the exchanges are those who always win in future trade. So if you use leverage trade, then always use small amount of leverages. then put limit order. Here if you are using 10%, 10x leverage and using $100, so you will write here $1000. Then come down, here is two boxes. First one is the take profit and second one is the stop loss. Take profit mean the limit or the figure you enter here. When the coin touches that, the the profit will be added to your wallet and the trade will be closed. Whereas stop loss means stop loss means when the trade goes in wrong direction. I mean, if you longed or buy a coin, and then the market is uh, has a selling pressure and market goes on other direction, I mean market is going down, then when your stop loss comes into play. When stop loss hits your nominal or minimum, uh, in minimum loss, your trade will be closed. But if you don't use stop loss, then your account will be liquidated. I mean your 100% margin is the amount which is used by a trader to buy the coin. Your all the margin will be gone. So we when we complete the order, we will select the buy order and your trade will be completed. Then you can see your open order here, and in open order, and when your buy limit comes or hits, then a position will be open which shows your position, whether you are in profit or even you are in loss. So friend, this is the shortest way and the simplest way to trade in future and spot. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that our next video will reaches you on time. Thank you.